What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Sam, this is Sacred Spores. This will be episode number 1 of our beginner mycology series. Today we're going to be learning how to build monotubs. So stick around and hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so you really don't need too much. You're going to need a 50 to 70 liter plastic tote. Could be bigger or smaller than that, but that's generally the size. You're going to need a drill bit, 2 inches preferred. Tape measure, Sharpie or marker of some sort, and a knife and razor blade to clean up some of the plastic. Alright, so our first step is going to be making 3 vertical measurements using your ruler or measuring tape, whatever you have on hand. We're going to want to make our marks 6 inches from the bottom of the tub. We're going to make 3 measurements. They don't really have to be perfect, just get them as close as you can. We're going to do 1 on each edge of the tub and then 1 where you think the center is. Next, we're going to make 3 separate measurements on the horizontal plane. Again, these don't have to be perfect. So we're going to measure 3 inches from the edge of the tub. We're going to do this on both sides. Using our vertical line as reference, create a new dot and circle that dot. That's going to be our drilling mark and where we're going to place our drill bit. Once the edges are done, we're going to measure between both of these dots to try to find the center. The center was right around 7 inches, so using our vertical line as reference, we're going to make that dot and circle it. Alright, once you're done this side, follow these same steps for the other side of the tub. Alright, now that we've done the long sides of the tubs, we're on to the short side. So there's only going to be 1 hole on this side. We're going to try to find the approximate center of this tub was 7 inches. We're going to make a vertical mark there. And we're going to do 1 more measurement here, trying to aim at about 3.5 inches. Using the other one as reference, we're going to circle that dot. And that'll be our drill hole. Alright, we're done this side. Now you guys can rewind the video and repeat for the other side. Alright, our next step is to drill out our holes. So you're going to grab your drill and your 2-inch hole bit. You want the drill spinning as quickly as it can while you're applying gentle downward pressure. Just be warned, these tubs crack very easily, so don't press too hard and just let the drill do the work for you. Alright, so I cut the rest of that drilling footage out. Didn't want to bore you guys, but I'm just going to go through a couple tips that can help you with that drilling process. Just so you guys know, this is going to send plastic everywhere, make a giant mess. So if you can, go to the garage, go out to somewhere, maybe hardwood floor, so you can sweep it up after, but picking the stuff out of carpet is not the play, let me tell you. So if you guys are having any issues cutting through, I found, and some other people have found, that changing the drill rotation to backwards can displace some of the plastic and make it a little bit easier. You should be fine with a brand new drill bit. It should cut through the plastic fairly easily, but if you do feel like you need to press and you don't want to break your tubs, you could take the lid off the tub and stick your other hand through and apply counter pressure, making sure that your hands aren't anywhere near the hole so you don't want to drill into them, and that might help you along your way. Alright, so this is the last step of the process. You got your 8 holes drilled, and now you just have a bunch of ugly frayed plastic that we got to get rid of. So if you can grab your razor blade or your X-Acto knife, something sharp, and we're going to trim all the excess off here. We do this just so the tape sticks better when we eventually have a grow in here, and also we don't want any chunks of plastic ending up in our grow. That is it guys, now you have a monotub that's all ready for cultivation. I hope this helped a few people build their first monotubs. There's going to be lots more videos like this coming your way soon, so if you found this video helpful, feel free to toss it a like and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.